You ready to go, Mickey?
Yeah.
Put your seatbelt on.
I'm not putting my fucking seatbelt on. Did you hear about Hyundai? They have the exploding seatbelts. It's dangerous out here for a mouse.
Come on, Mickey. First of all, this is a Ford Flex. It's not a Hyundai. And I don't know what you're talking about exploding seatbelts.
Oh yeah, they're having a recall because they're having exploding seatbelts.
Mickey, that's impossible. How's a seatbelt supposed to explode?
Oh, Bob, you never listen to me. Why don't you read the paper every once in a while?
Mickey, Bob's not going to read the paper. Miss Search directly to the source if you want to learn anything. Directly to the source.